Hello everybody. In this video we're gonna have a look very useful tool called fritzing. Fritzing is open source software tool to document your project and also sketching your project before actually you wire up electronic component. In the fritzing website you can have a look some of the good tutorial in the learning section, and also you can see some of the good project from project section, and also of course you can download from the download section. You can download fritzing software tool for different OSS systems. Let's have a look how we can use fritzing software tool. Double clicking icon to open up the fritzing software. Using fritzing is very straightforward. You can see the main menu in top, and you can change different drawing style with this tab menu, and also you can see different electronic component illustration on the right side. Breadboard menu, we can draw the diagram with illustration. Schematic section, you can draw the schematic diagram. Schematic diagram is abstract representation of electronic part, and PCB is personalized circuit board, so you can draw your own circuit board. And code, it is similar to Arduino text editor. So let's have a look at the breadboard. So in our class we mainly use the breadboard to prototyping our project. So let's create a very simple electronic circuit. Now let's make the very simple diagrams. So breadboard is here, and we're gonna use Arduino board. So if you drag down, you can see the microcontroller Uno icon. If you drag into the stage, actually you can see the illustration of Arduino Uno. Now I'm gonna use LED, and I'm gonna use the register. So now what I need to do is connecting this electronic component with this microcontroller. If you want to rotate, select the object and click the right mouse click. So rotate 118 degrees. So now it's been rotated. So if you want to rotate again, go to the rotate menu and click this rotate 180. Let's connecting the microcontroller and LED. First, I'm gonna connecting the ground to the one of this breadboard line. So once you're doing that, the green color indicating potential connections, and one of these one we can connecting with this LED. So the ground mean is negative, and this one is positive. So positive in this case need to go pin 13. And if you want to adding one anchor point in this wire, you just click that and drag. You can add the anchor point. And if you select one of these electronic component, you can see the information is show up on the right side. So you can see the property, so you can change the information automatically apply into this actual scene. For example, if you change the color into the orange, the red is turned into the orange. Same as register, if you select that, the difference information is coming up, And also this one is indicating different symbol for different drawing board. So this is actual breadboard view, this is schematic view, this is PCB view. So if you change one of the resistance value to, for example, 150, you can see color changes. And once you're doing that, if you click schematic view, you can see some very abstract diagram. If you want to zoom in, use the middle mouse, or you can control this one, the zoom in, zoom out. And if you move your images, press and hold spacebar and click with the left mouse and drag in your images. And PCB view, you can see personalized circuit board diagrams. Let's go back to the breadboard view. If you want to add comment or message or memo in your drawing, and scrolling down these illustrations, and the last item, tools, this tool, and drag it in, type your text. Okay, and after you're doing that, you can save as PNG, JPEG, and SVG and PDF. So if you save this one as SVG and PDF, you can open up this image in Illustrator, and then you can editing another purpose. Same as the true in JPG and PNG. Okay, let's save this one into the PDF, for example. Click and save into the desktop and save. And if you click that again, and then you can see the actual diagrams. It's exactly same as the fritzing. In our class, when you submit your project, you must submit breadboard view or fritzing tools for your project.